Good morning, children. Today's session is EVS Lesson 3 My Family. Textbook pages 92 to 95. My family. What is family, children? Where do you live? We are living in the family. Who are there in your family? You are staying with your parents and your siblings. Siblings means your brother or sister. Sometimes your grandfather and grandmother also are staying with you. Isn't it, children? Grandparents also staying with you. Sometimes your uncles, aunts and cousins also. So how many types of family? What is the family? Who are there in the family? We'll see in the lesson. Then first one is here. What are the names of the people who stay with you in your house? List them in the space given below. See the textbook, children. Here dashes are there. Who are there in your family, children? You are alone in the family? No, you are not alone in the family. You are staying with your parents. See who are there in the family. We'll see. You are staying with the father. And next, who are there in your family? Mother. Then sister. You have sister or brother. Here you are staying with your brother. Brother also in your home. Then next, some houses they have the grandfather. Same as grandmother also. The next, in some houses we can see the uncle. Uncle means brother of your father. Okay. Then aunt means sister of your father. Then cousins. These children we will say the cousins. Okay, children, in the introduction itself we are saying these persons. Who are there? Father, mother, sister, brother, grandfather, grandmother, uncle, aunt, cousins and myself. You also know myself. Then come to the textbook. Here first one is meaning of a family. What is the meaning of a family? Meaning of a family. What you will understand, children, if you hear the family word, what you will understand? That we will see, children. A group of people are related to each other and live together make a family. Family means group of people live together. Live together. That is the family. What is the meaning of family, children? Group of people live together. Your neighbors are living with you, children. Neighbors are staying with you or sleeping with you? No. Your family members only living in a house. That is the family. Isn't it, children? Your father, your mother, your sister or brother or your grandfather, grandmother are with you, children? Yeah, that is the family. Family means group of people live together in a house. That is the family. Then next, types of families. We'll understand how many types of families. Here, some families are big while some are small. We have big family and small family and small family. Families are two types. One is big family and small family. What is the meaning of family? Group of people live together. Isn't it? Then families are two types. Big family and small family. Isn't it, children? Now we will see the what is big family and what is small family. We'll see a family in which father, mother and children are live together is called a small family. Who are there in the small family, children? Read once again. A family in which father, mother and children live together is called a small family. See the children? So, who are there in the small family? Who are there in the small family? Father, mother and children. Who are there in the small family, children? Father, mother and children. Together we will call the small family. Isn't it? Then once you see in your family, children, who are there in your family? Your father is there, your mother is there and the children. Children means you and your siblings. Siblings means not your brother or your sister. We call the siblings. Then we'll see one exercise here, children. See page number 93. Paste a picture of your family in the box given alongside. See here one blank space is there. You have to paste the family photo there. Isn't it, children? You should paste the family photo. Okay. Then next, in a family in which grandfather, grandmother, mother, father, uncles, aunts and cousins live together is called a big family. You see, children, what is a family? Group of people live together. Families are two types, big family and small family. Here we understand that who are there in the small family? Father, mother and the children are there in the small family. Now we will see the big family. Who are there in the big family? See, children, a family in which grandfather, grandmother, mother, father, uncles, aunts and cousins live together is called a big family. Isn't it, children? Now you look at the board, children. Who are there in the big family? Here, father, mother, grandparents or grandfather, grandmother, uncles, aunts, cousins and brother or sister. This also will be in your brother, sister or sister. We'll call the joint family. These many people will be there in the joint family. Once again, children, group of people live together. That is the family. Two types family, big family and small family. Small family, who are there? Father, mother and children. Children, maybe your brother or sister. 2 or 3 children will be there. Okay, or maybe single child. Then, who are there in the big family? Father, mother, grandfather, grandmother, uncles, aunts, cousins, brother or sister. These many are there in the big family. Now we understood, children, what is family, how many types of family and who are there in this family and who are there in this family. Isn't children? Now we will come to the next point. Here one picture is there. You can see there are many single parent families, children. In such families, either the mother or the father looks after the children. maybe mother alone taking care of the children, maybe father alone taking care of the children. That is the single parent family. Single children, either father or mother, that we will call the single parent. Then next, you can see a joint family photo here, children. A big family, we can say the big family, the other name also joint family. Here this is the big family picture. You can see the textbook page, children. Big family picture. See here, small family picture is there. That is the big family picture. Many are there. Full of members are there in the home. Grandparents, their parents, children, uncles and cousins. But in the previous page, we can see a small picture. In there, father, mother and 2 children. 4 members are there. That is the small family. You can identify by seeing these 2 pictures which is small family and which is big family. Isn't it, children? Now, next one, activity for you, children. That is yours activity. See, this is my father's picture. You should paste your father's picture and you should write his name. His name is, write your father's name. I call him, what you will call, dad or father. I love to play with him. Okay. The next column, this is my mother's picture. Mother's picture. Her name is, what is your mother's name? That is, I call her mom, mummy, mother, amma, like we will call. Many names are there. Then I love to play with her. Isn't it, children? Then come to the next page. That is also yours activity. Here, circle the number of members in your family. In your family, if it is the small family, how many members will be? 4 or 5? 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's all. But in the joint family, how many members will be there? Maybe grandfather, grandmother, uncles, aunts. So, around the circle the how many members are there in the family. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 up to 1 to 10 numbers are there. Then second one is, in what type of family do you live? Only 4 or 5? That is the small family. Means more than 5. 6, 7, 8 means that is the big family. Isn't it, children? Yeah. The next we will say that the next topic is role of family members. Family members. You see, children, what is family? We understood. Who are there in the family? We understood. And what is family? The meaning of family we understood. And types of family. What are small family and big family? We understood that. Who are there staying? Who are there living in the small family and who are there living in the big family. Here the next topic is role of family members. What responsibilities are for the family members? We'll see. Father earns money to support the family. Here first role is father. Head of the family is father. Who is the head of the family? Father. He is earning money. Earning money for the family. Isn't it? What did you understand, children? Earning money. Father is going for job and he is bringing the money and earning the money. Father is getting salary, no? Yeah. Then he is spending these monies to your house expenses. That means food, your dresses and your education, your expenses also. Who is giving the money to you? Father is giving the money to you. So how father is earning money. Who is earning the money for the house? Father is earning money for the house. Send it. Then next, he also helps children with studies. Then if you want to, then what is doing? Helping studies in your children's study. Then next, helping mother. See children, apart from earning money, what works he is doing? Helping in children's studies. So you have the doubt in your study, you are asking to your father or mother. Father is helping you. Then helping mother in housework. Maybe your father is helping the mother in holidays, in the cooking, such on cleaning the houses. Such way your father is helping mother. So what is the role of the family members? Mainly father, he is earning money, helping in children's study and helping mother in the housework. Okay, these are the father's responsibility. Then next we will see mother. Next role is for mother. What are the mother's responsibility, children? Mother looks after the home, looks after the house. Looks after the house. And what is she doing? Then in this, what are the children? Earning money and earning money and making food. These are the main work your mother is doing. Looks after the house means many works are there for mother. Cleaning and cleaning the dishes and cooking the delicious food for you, for the whole family, and cleaning the house, washing the clothes. Indeed, mother is doing much work in the home. Then next, some families mothers also working. She also earning some money. Isn't it? Some ladies are working, no children. Your parents also, mummy also working. But she is earning money and supporting the family expenses. Then making food, cooking delicious food for you. So these are the main responsibilities of the mother. Here we understood that what are the main responsibilities of the father. Here we understood that responsibilities of the mother. The next one, the father of our grandfather or mother is called your grandfather. What is who is grandfather, children? Father of your mother or father. Isn't it? Grandfather is father of your mother or father. Then grandfather is the oldest member of the family. He is the oldest. Why? He is the father of your father or he is the father of your mother. So he is the oldest person in the family. Isn't it? Then he loves to take us out for a walk. Every day evening grandparents are going for the walk. Sometimes you are also going with your grandparents. Isn't it? Then the mother of our mother or father is called our grandmother. You understood, children? Grandfather and grandmother. Grandfather is father of your father or mother and grandmother is mother of your father or mother. So they are with you. Then next, the mother of your mothers is called our grandmother. Grandmother tells us stories. Cindy, you are also asking to your grandparents, please tell me a story. Isn't it? They are interesting to say the stories to their grandchildren. Okay. Then our brothers and sisters are called our siblings. I said to you, siblings. What is meaning of siblings, children? Brother or sister. Brother or sister of you. Send it, children. Here, father, mother, grandfather, grandmother and siblings. Siblings means what, children? Brother of or sister of you. Isn't it? That is the siblings we will call, children. What do you do with your siblings, children? They are playing, sometimes fighting. Isn't it? Then come to the next page, children. See the page, textbook page number 95. Who does the following work in your family? This is you analyze, children. This is your activity. Isn't it? Who does the following work in your family? Write the name of the family members in the box. First question is brings milk. Brings milk from the shop. Who is bringing? Sometimes some houses milkman is bringing, or your father or brother is going to buy milk from the shop. Then washes clothes. Who is washing the clothes? Mother is washing clothes. Then water the plants. You can do, children can do, myself. Children can do the water the plants. Okay. Takes you for a walk. Who is takes you for a walk? Grandfather. Then tell stories? Grandmother. So some houses grandmother is also taking for a walk. Isn't it, children? Then next, golden rules. Next is golden rules. Golden rules. What do you understand the golden rules, children? We have some responsibilities. Father has the responsibility and mother has the responsibilities, and your siblings, we said that. But in this test, we are seeing the golden rules. What are the golden rules? We'll see, children. We must obey our parents. That is your responsibility. You should obey your parents. What parents says, you should listen. That is the obey your parents. Be a good children. Then we must help our mother to keep the house clean. Many works you can do. After going home from the school, you can keep your shoes and socks in the correct place and put your bag in the correct place, and don't split your books somewhere after writing the homeworks. Keep everything neatly, isn't it? And your dresses also keep in the correct place. You don't ask the mother's help there. You should do your work yourself. Okay. Then third one is we must share work at home. Yeah, father should help in the home. Even mother is working. Mother is cooking food, cleaning the houses and washing the clothes. Much work for the mother. So father and the children also help the mother in the house and share the work. Okay. We should always respect our elders. Elders means your uncles, grandparents, grandmother and your brothers, sisters and parents. We should respect them. Isn't it? When the guest, that means uncles or aunts, come to your home, you should respect them. Isn't it, children? Then we must take permission of adults in the family before going out somewhere. When you want to go outside, you should ask the permission from adults. Adults means grandparents or your parents. Okay, you should ask the permission. Without asking from them, you don't go to outside. They will search you, isn't it? They are not finding you, they will search you. So don't get it like a chances. You should ask the permission from the elders. So 5 things we understood that is the golden rules. What are they? Obey your parents and help the mothers and share the work at home. Then we should respect elders elders, and we should ask the permission from adults when we are going outside. This is the lesson, children, about the my family. We understood that who are there in your family, then what is the family, then role of family members. We said that father, mother, so and so. Then golden rules, that is your responsibility. What responsibilities you have to do in the home. So this is the lesson, children. So read this lesson. Thank you.